If you just ran out of some cupcake liner, don't worry. Because we have the ultimate quick and easy tutorial on how to make cupcake liners with foil. What is the purpose of a cupcake liner? Cupcakes and muffin liners both have the same functions. They are designed and created to help contain the poured cupcake batter inside each cupcake hole in the pan. This helps you easily remove each cupcake from the pan and makes it an overall more hygienic dessert. Furthermore, by using a cupcake liner, you don't have to grease anything. And is that these liners help reduce the wear and tear of your cupcake pans. Cupcake liners will naturally help prevent that, seeing as there is now a protective barrier between the batter and pan. Would we use cupcake liners? Despite the cons we have just listed, in our opinion, the pros far outweigh them. Yes, cupcake liners do cost money, but they aren't all that expensive, and if you buy proper ones, they will give you a ton of benefits. They are still cheaper than buying a new cupcake pan because yours is torn down. Differences in using foil cupcake liners. When making cupcake liners from foil, they will be thicker than your traditional paper liners. So, this often makes them a little stiffer and a little more difficult to move around. The one other potential downside is that it could look a little jagged if you don't make them neatly. The cupcakes won't bake better or worse than they would have in regular paper cupcake liners or store-bought foil liners. So, now that we have established that it is possible and that there aren't any downsides to making your own, let's have a look at exactly how to make cupcake liners with foil at home. How to make cupcake liners with foil. Step by step. Step 1. Using a ruler or measuring tape, first measure the diameter of your cupcake pan's cup. Add 1 inch to that measurement, that will be the diameter of the piece of foil you need to cut. Step 2. Once you have your measurement, flatten a large sheet of aluminum foil on a flat surface. Then, using your ruler and marker, draw out squares on the sheet of foil. Then, cut out the squares and set them aside. Step 3. Flip over your cupcake pan or muffin pan. Gently shape a square of foil over the cup. Press it into your cupcake liner shape, folding some edges over each other if needed. Set the one aside and repeat until you have enough. Step 4. Once each liner has been shaped, you can place them inside each cupcake hole and make sure they fit nicely. And, if you want to cut the edges around the top off to form a straight line, you can also do that using a sharp pair of scissors. Tips and tricks. If you are using foil that has a shiny side and a dull side, make sure that the dull side is facing inwards. To ensure that your homemade foil liners won't stick to the cupcake batter, you can always spray them with cooking or baking spray. Or, if you have neither of those, use some melted butter or neutrally flavored oil. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.